We live in a complex world. We face problems every day. Some are small, like what to eat for breakfast. Others are large, like how to address climate change. Analytical thinking helps us with all of these. Analytical thinking means breaking down problems into smaller parts. It means looking at information carefully. Then we use logic to understand the connections. This helps us make good decisions. Analytical thinking is important in every part of life. At work, it helps us solve problems and be more productive. At home, it helps us make smart choices about our money and our time. In a world overloaded with information, analytical thinking is more important than ever. It helps us cut through the noise and find the truth. It empowers us to be better thinkers and better decision makers. There are three key components to analytical thinking: observation, reasoning, and evaluation. First, we must observe the world around us. This means paying attention to details. It also means being curious and asking questions. Second, we must reason. This means using logic to connect the dots. We look for patterns and relationships in the information. We ask ourselves why and how things happen. Finally, we must evaluate. We consider different perspectives and weigh the evidence. We ask ourselves if our conclusions are valid. We are always open to new information and changing our minds. These three components work together. They help us make sense of complex information and solve problems effectively. Analytical thinking is used in every field and industry. For example, doctors use it to diagnose illnesses. They observe symptoms, reason about possible causes, and evaluate test results to decide on the best treatment. Engineers use analytical thinking to design bridges, buildings, and machines. They consider the laws of physics, the properties of materials, and the needs of the people who will use their creations. Business leaders use analytical thinking to make strategic decisions. They analyze market trends, assess their competition, and evaluate their resources to guide their companies to success. These are just a few examples of how analytical thinking is applied in the real world. No matter what you do, developing these skills will help you succeed. In today's fast-paced world, analytical thinking is a valuable skill. It allows us to make sense of information, solve problems, and make informed decisions. By developing our abilities to observe, reason, and evaluate, we can navigate complexity with confidence. Embrace the power of analytical thinking. It is a journey of lifelong learning. Start developing your skills today and unlock a world of possibilities.